Tax reconciliation. For any type of organizations, may it be manufacturing or hospitality, TDS reconciliation, which includes 26A SmartRecon, both on payables and receivables. GST reconciliation, GSTR 2A and 2B, and 34A, is used for availing tax-related services. Common challenges faced during tax reconciliation: improper invoice number format, improper credit debit note format, enormous volumes of data, customizable dashboard. SmartRecon provides a fully automated process for all these reconciliations with fully integrated process with different systems, dynamic matching logic with UI-based customized rules, exception management with forced match and carry forward options, customizable report analytics. Major benefits of SmartRecon tool: 80% of savings in resource and time, 100% accuracy with fully automated process, 200% control over the process. Our other case studies in reconciliations include ledger, payment gateway, bank statement, vendor payment, loan, e-commerce, remittances. Thank you.